Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. It's been quite some times already that we see Glassmorphism in design. I actually really like that effect. Let me show you the resource I have for you and apply it to bricks. So before we jump into bricks, I want to introduce you to the resource I found, and this is called css.glass. And basically it's just a generator where you can change the transparency, the blur, the color, and the outline. Once you're done and you selected anything you want, you just copy CSS to clipboard. Let's just go now to bricks. Let's go to our container, select the container. Let's go to the Style tab, CSS, and then select the root, and then copy our code, and you have your Glassmorphism. Like I said, you can adapt it. Transparency could be much more. For example, the blur could be a bit less. Let's copy this one, change it, and see the effect. That's a bit too much. You see, you have to play with it. Let's just go there, do it one more time, and see if this fits better. Fits better. Let's change the text to something else. And you have your Glassmorphism. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It is free to join and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Tricks for Bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!